Hello students, today I'm going to teach you how to draw hentai. Now you don't have to be the greatest artist in the world to draw some hentai. All you need is paint and a mouse. And if you're lucky, a drawing tablet. That'll bump up your skill level way up there. So, to start drawing hentai, we need to set up a few rules, alright? Number 1, big boobs, right? You draw hentai with small boobs, nobody's gonna go for it. Unless you're sensei. Sensei loves all boobs. But no, we draw big ones today. So here's how we do it. First, you gotta start with the head. It's just a circle and a line. Then you can make the chin from there. Ooh, doesn't matter if it's perfect the first time or not. We'll go back and fix it later. Next, you gotta put the neck in. Just like that. This is starting to look good. Right now, this is the pivotal point where we can choose to draw a guy or a girl. Sensei's gonna draw a girl, so Sensei has some company later. So, to draw the chest area, you have to draw this circle-like structure. Make sure it's as wide as the head itself. It has to be about this wide and a bit wider than that. To draw the shoulders, just do this, alright? So just do this. And boom! You got your body. Next, we need to draw the arms. So just draw lines here, and here, 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 and here. Then just connect those up. Next, you need to draw the boobs. Just draw 2 fucking ovals like this. You ready? Now we can actually start coloring it in. Yes! So, of course, we have to draw the ahegao face first. So we gotta erase the middle part over here. Drawing an ahegao face is really simple. You just have to choose a mouth that's somewhat like that, and the eyes that are going up here. Everybody knows to start drawing the mouth or the nose first, never the eyes. So just put a dot there for the nose. The mouth, just do this, and put the teeth in. The easiest way to draw eyes is to draw them at the same time. Next, the tongue. And there you go. That's hentai for you. You can make it better by adding clothes, but this is enough for me. If you want to color it in, be my guest. Now, Sensei has to go because Sensei has company now. See you next time.